Saturday the 9th of May. Oh, it's quite loud. And we are just out and about in London, heading into Central to do a bit of dilly-dallying. So I thought I would start the London vlogs as I promised in Rome and bring them back. I don't know if this vlog's gonna make it out of the archives, but let's go. Just at chicken shop. We thought we would try it for the first time. Oh, is that the sandwich? So guys, we are in IKEA. We decided to come. Oh yeah, I didn't explain. We were previously in chicken shop, which we decided to try for the first time. It's actually quite good. And now we're in IKEA, and I'm gonna pick up this elderflower syrup. Because why not? It's only a few quid. We also bought a dehumidifier in John Lewis earlier for like half the price, which is so good, because we've been literally needing one. So yeah, just gonna have a look around and see what we pick up. I feel like it's impossible. I feel like it's literally impossible to come to London and, well, go to central London and not spend any money whatsoever. Good morning. I just thought I'd say hello. This is day 2 of the vlogs. I thought I would extend the vlog to a second day since we didn't do that much yesterday, and I still need to catch you guys up on what we did yesterday. But we're just in some like organic food store, and I was gonna get this carrot juice, but I think we're gonna go into M&S instead. We're just in Chiswick. They usually have a like a market going on the second Sunday of the month. But we didn't see anything that we liked, so yeah. I wanted to jump on the carrot juice trend that I've been seeing, Sophia and Cinzia. But the thing is, it's like, I have been on this carrot juice thing before it was a trend, but I'm just checking for my boyfriend. But yeah, I just really wanted to try. I think there's an M&S one or something. I want to hop back on the trend, guys, because I do love carrot juice. I'm obsessed. I've lost him. Guys, I literally crashed out for 2.5 hours and had a fat nap. I was so tired, so exhausted from this morning. Yes, I don't know if I talked about yesterday, so I thought I'd give a little debrief on what happened yesterday. I think so. We went out to Central, we went to John Lewis. I was actually wanting to go there because we need a new kettle for the flat. The one we have is currently working. It's the one from my old place, but sometimes it doesn't work, and I thought it would be nice if we look at some like home stuff. but yeah, I really want a temperature controlled kettle so that I could potentially start making matcha. Now guys, okay, I'm not doing it for the trend, but I actually do notice that I actually enjoy drinking matcha, and I would like to be able to make it at home. So yeah, it would be nice to have like a temperature control kettle. And then after we went to Hammersmith and we went to IKEA, and I got quite a few bits. I think I showed you guys. I got the metal bowls because I am going to be joining in this baking competition for charity on Monday at my work, and basically I'm gonna attempt to bake a pistachio and raspberry cake, and I really want it to be good, guys. Like, you know, for my ego, I just want it to be nice, and I want it to be yummy, and I want it to be tasty, and I also do want to impress everyone, even though I'm not the biggest cake baker. So yeah, I am gonna attempt to make this recipe I saw on TikTok. I think it was like some sort of aubergine lasagna. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but I want to test out. I feel like it'll be fine, but I want to test out this Melinda that I got. Melinda, I don't know how to say the word, but basically the slicer that like slices things really thin. I want to test it out. I got it from TK Maxx. I kind of dropped it, so it's a bit cracked, but it doesn't seem to affect the functionality of the product. But yeah, so I'm gonna attempt to make this lasagna, and I think I'll show you guys a bit of the food making process.
just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out